Hi folks, it's me again. This time I'm going to introduce you to HAL 9000, my interpretation of HAL from the film 2001 Space Odyssey. This is the main face with the wood effect that was on the original HAL. This piece is difficult to get out once you put it in, but it does slot in. It can be multi-color printed, or I've included in the design individual pieces that can be printed and then glued together. This allows for you to include cabling to perhaps an LED that can flicker, which would fit through this hole, and you'll see all that in just a moment. We've got a stand here, as you can see. It's a nice stand with the cabling. The second hole is for a speaker. If you wanted to add a speaker, you could do so. There's actually holes through here for speakers, and then the back piece for that. I've got two different varieties of red, what are they, lenses. There's a different kind. This one, unfortunately, I printed incorrectly with infill, so it doesn't quite look correct, but gives you two different effects. Fits on there. And this piece allows only the light to pass through as a pin prick, so I'll show you that in a moment. So we've got the back plate, and this fits into here like such, and we've got the screw bits and bobs there, and then we've got these would be silver, as would be the back plate. That would be silver, but I don't have any silver, so it's grey. And then I'm going to put in the next piece, which just slots in, and then I'm going to put in the next piece like so, and I'm going to choose this one. Boom, pops in like that, and I'm going to put the speaker in there. Just pops in like that, and then it sits on to the stand as such. There we go, and I'm just going to take it off there for a second. I'm going to show you the light working. So I've got a torch here, and let's see if I can do this right. I can do this. There we go. So that's HAL speaking to you. I mean, you could possibly do a transparent black and then have one of these on the inside, which would glow red. You could try that as well. But I hope you've enjoyed that. Check it out on Etsy, link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.